If you want to take high-resolution photos on the OPPO Reno 15 Pro, it is fairly simple. You just have to open the camera. Next, we're gonna go to the More section in order to find more additional camera modes. One of them is the high-res mode or high resolution. This mode allows you to capture 50 megapixel photos. We can also use a little bit of zoom, or we can even use the ultra-wide angle if that's what you're looking for. However, the mode itself does not really have much additional options. So it is a pretty simple mode that just focuses on the highest resolution possible. You cannot really mess it up. Also, of course, if you want to, you can use the Pro mode instead, but in this case, if you capture a photo in the Pro mode, then I believe we use only like 12 megapixels. Yeah, so we can see it over here. So unfortunately, the resolution will be lower, but these parameters allow you to adjust the photo and to probably capture slightly better photos depending on situation. But if we just focus on resolution and only the resolution, then of course you should use the high res. Leave a like and subscribe.